of only two.
What's that?
Everybody puts this super weird pressure on you to be friends. It's creepy.
Hey, did I miss it?
No.
Creepy. Creepy.
Hey, did I miss it?
No.
Team Fight Night, powered by Nucleus.
No networks, no more middleman, no bullshit. We're bringing the fight.
Middleman. Middleman.
No more middleman, no bullshit. We're bringing the fight.
Long time.
Are we getting a contact high of Erlich, or is the edge starting to warble?
No, I see.
Warble. Warble.
It's starting to warble.
No, I see.
Our bitstream to disc and take a look.
She's really smart, but not afraid to be bawdy.
Body. Body.
Not afraid to be bawdy.
Never in all my years of watching fighting seen a finishing combination more ferocious. What a spectacular
Ferocious. Ferocious.
finishing combination more ferocious. What a spectacular. May have cut out during that exchange. If that is true, what a travesty, Joe. Fuck.
Travesty. Travesty.
True. What a travesty, Joe. Fuck.
Belson just shit everyone's pants.
Sure did. The encoding is totally underpowered.
Encode. Encode.
Sure did. The encoding is totally underpowered.
Why don't we just live stream me killing you?
I wouldn't be so dismissive. There was a live stream of an Eagles.
Dismissive. Dismissive.
So dismissive. There was a live stream of an Eagles.
Just live stream me killing you.
I wouldn't be so dismissive. There was a live stream of an Eagles nest last year that went viral and was getting millions.
Viral. Viral.
Eagles nest last year that went viral and was getting millions. Eagles nest last year that went viral and was getting millions of hits. And I don't want to be inflammatory, but
Inflammatory. Inflammatory.
I don't want to be inflammatory, but I don't want to be inflammatory, but next to a condor, an eagle looks like a common cackling.
Cackle. Cackle.
Looks like a common cackling.
Kind of a mentor-mentee sort of thing.
Coming from a manatee sort of thing.
You look like a
Manatee. Manatee.
From a manatee sort of thing.
you look like a ferret that gave up on himself 6 months ago, Guilfoyle. I'm going to ping double A.
Wait,
Ping. Ping.
Ping double A.
wait.
Really just say, holy cow?
I've had a board ready for just such an occasion. I've booby-trapped the house with corporate resources.
Booby. Booby.
Booby-trapped the house with corporate resources.
Not you.
Well, you can, because now you have the tools. Okay, shout them out, and I'll tack them up.
Jared,
Tack. Tack.
Shout them out, and I'll tack them up.
Jared,
Thanks, Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid? What's that? Are you Kool-Aid?
Yeah, it's just a term of endearment. Nickname.
Endearment. Endearment.
Term of endearment. Nickname.
Crashing through a wall. But you still hung out with him.
Yeah, because we were 19 and he had weed and beer. But even drunk
We.
weed and beer. But even drunk
Care either.
How do you know about my name?
I'm an army brat. My dad was stationed.
Brat. Brat.
Brat. My dad was stationed.
She's shaking. What did they put in this shit?
Milk thistle?
Thistle. Thistle.
Thistle?
All I hear from everybody is good news. Have I just surrounded myself with sycophants who are just telling me what?
Sycophant. Sycophant.
Just surrounded myself with sycophants who are just telling me what?
I really needed to hear that.
This might be morbid, but the cold hard fact is that if Blaine
Morbid. morbid,
Morbid. But the cold hard fact is that if blank
with a brand new operating system called Nucleus. Thank you all for being here. Alan, Lisa, Josh, Yana, Katie, Ramon. Now I'd like to get
Josh, Josh,
Alan, Lisa, Josh, Yana, Katie, Ramon. Now I'd like to get to jump in. Anyone? How about you, Ramon?
It's just stupid.
Ram, Ram,
You, Ramon.
It's just stupid.
How bad is this? Be honest. Is this Windows Vista bad?
Vista, Vista,
Windows Vista bad?
Blaine doesn't die, but he is horribly incapacitated, and then while
incapacitate, incapacitate,
he is horribly incapacitated, and then while...
Well, obviously, his incessant suffering will be a strength.
But our
incessant, incessant,
Incessant suffering will be a strength.
but our
Before he dies, Gina catches the virus, and then she spreads it from her vagina to your penis.
vagina, vagina,
She spreads it from her vagina to your penis.
Be smeared across the side of that building. Anyway, now I'm just totally rambling. Typical.
ramble, ramble,
Now I'm just totally rambling. Typical.
This Blaine dies super fast.
yeah, you really shouldn't be looking at that. That's all proprietary.
proprietary, proprietary,
Proprietary.
Good job, my man. Fucking live stream looks amazing.
It does?
Yeah, Homicide must be stoked.
Homicide
stoke, stoke,
does?
Yeah, Homicide must be stoked.
Homicide.
Middle out compression technology. Those pricks, they stole my algorithm. I know guys.
prick, prick,
Pricks, they stole my algorithm. I know guys.